Meanwhile, on the other side of the universe...
My name's Cassie, and I'm lost. Lost after pirates attacked my father's ship.
Dad!
I'll come back for you!
But he didn't, so I went looking.
And to help me, I hired the roughest, toughest bounty hunter in the galaxy. And that's when my troubles really began.
Space. It's like the toughest kid in the playground. Big and bad and always trying to do you damage. That's why you need to be an expert mechanic like me.
Hamster, haven't you finished yet? I'll take that as a no.
This is Commander Evans of the mining ship Carefully. We need urgent help.
I didn't hear that. You're breaking up.
I said we need help. We're breaking up.
Oh.
Hamster, hold tight.
Okay. Why?
We've just received a distress signal, so we're checking it out, okay? Sorry, can't hear you. There's a funny whining noise. Stop!
Sheesh. What a mess. These guys must have been worse drivers than you.
What can you see?
A whole lot of holes, like some creatures torn the place to...
To what? To what?
I'll come and tell you in person. Cassie! Open the airlock! Open the airlock!
What is it? What's the matter?
Monster!
It's a puppy.
And clearly the big horrible monster that's out there scared him too.
Oh, isn't he just precious?
Precious.
His eyes are so bright.
Bright.
And his coat's so shiny.
Shiny. Let's sell him.
Is money all you think about?
No.
Well, I'm gonna keep him.
Not on my ship, you're not.
I think I'll call him Spot. That's what I called my puppy back home on Earth, where I used to live before I became all lost and sad.
Yuck.
Pretty please, with sugar on top, Mr. Hamster, let me keep the itty-bitty puppy dog. If you don't, I'll keep talking like this until it molts your echo to mine.
All right already!
So the dog can stay? Come on, Spot. Let's find you somewhere nice to sleep.
My best friend, my new best friend. It's me for him and him for me. No more singularity. Through thick and thin, I can depend on you, my new best friend.
That does it! I've had enough of that sap-eyed, pea-brain walking piece of scrap.
But Marion!
No buts. My mind is made up. Say goodbye, Cassie. The mud is gone.
He's gone.
That's what I said.
No, Marion. He's gone.
Spot! Come out, wherever you are, you pointless, useless, good for nothing. Give her a really nice present?
It's no good. I can't find Spot anywhere. What?
Hiya, Cass. Wanna dance?
Where did you get all this stuff?
Neat, ain't it?
Spot, there you are. Do you want to play?
Me and Spot have started a new relationship based on mutual understanding. He likes giving me presents, and I like getting them.
My best friend, my ex-best friend. You sold me me out and cross the line. That fickle little Frankenstein. My broken heart will never mend because of you, my former new best friend.
Hey!
Hamster, this is ridiculous.
Have fun!
Aren't you at all curious about where Spot's getting all this stuff from?
No.
Well, I'm gonna find out. Marion!
I'm busy!
The Cavilli, the ship, the hold, the wreck, death, destruction, our ship, Spot!
And now in a language that the viewers can understand.
Check the life support systems!
There are no life support systems.
Exactly. Would you rather play games or breathe?
The Cavilli, the ship, the holes, the wreck, death, destruction, our ship! Spot! How could you let this happen?
Uh-oh.
What was that?
I might have mentioned to Spot that I always wanted a yacht. He's on the poop deck.
What's a poop deck?
No idea, I just wanted to say it.
Spot, come down here at once. Ruff, ruff. Bad dog.
Bad yacht building dog.
Gotcha! He's gone into the vents.
He thinks this is a game.
Well then, we'll play too.
Don't you have to be over a certain height for this ride?
Marion, where are you?
Stinking sawdust.
I'm in the gym.
He built you a gym in your yacht.
I like to sail, I like to work out. What can I say?
Nice spot.
Good spot. Stay.
Aw, thanks. No! Bad spot, stupid spot. Stop making things! Oh, you want to play rough? I can do that too. Now this is gonna be hard to explain.
Hamster, are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. But Spot's sort of playing dead at the moment.
Dead?
It's okay. He got better.
My, haven't you grown?
Marion, where are you?
Oh, that's sweet. He wants to make me juice. He wants to make me juice! Cassie!
Get away from him, you mongrel.
Big gun. Big laser gun. Come on!
Make my day.
Tickle, tickle.
It's all yours, Cass. You're doing great. Any last words?
Yeah, fetch.
Fetch?
Goodbye, Spot.
And good riddance!
Safe at last.
Yeah, except for being stranded in space without any engines.
Come on, Marion. Only 2 more light years to go.
Next time, let's get a budgie!
Who's a pretty boy?